السلام عليكم مرحبا هجام. How are you? I'm going to do my homework. You give us homework about microprocessor. I'm going to do my homework one. The code you ask us is here about addition. I write my code here. I show you. My code is start 00 x s jump x move r0 10 has move r1 10 decimal and x1 we move to a at rate r0 we send r0 to a. Here addition at a at rate r1. I send R1 to accumulator. Here, move at the rate R0 uh, accumulator A here. Again, I will send accumulator to the R0. I will increase R0 and I will here move port 0 A. I will send, finally, I will send uh, A to port 0. DGNZ R1 X jump X and here and my code is finished now here. This is my code. I think this is right. I will show you here about working or not building here. I have here is about error. Sorry. Here I have zero error here. And I will go to debug to show you. Okay, my code is working now. If you see here, okay, right, my code is working now. If you see here, my code is register value I have here, R0 and R7 here. Here my R0 will increase 10 times, 10 decimal, 10 times. I have here address memory. If you see here, I show you. Okay, my code is working now, teacher, and thank you for give us this homework and good luck, teacher. Thank you and good luck. Okay, teacher.